This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study more effectively. First, define what you want to achieve in each study session. Breaking down big topics into smaller, digestible parts makes them less daunting. For example, instead of study history, try review Chapter 3 on the American Revolution. Always tackle your most difficult subjects when your mind is freshest, typically at the beginning of your study time. This approach helps maximize your focus and retention. Don't just passively read, engage with the material actively. After reading a section, try to explain it aloud or write a brief summary without looking at your notes. A powerful technique is to teach the concept to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps in your knowledge. Flashcards are excellent for recalling facts, formulas, or vocabulary, especially for subjects requiring rote memorization. Your environment significantly impacts your focus. Find a dedicated study space that is quiet, well-lit, and free from potential distractions like your phone or social media. Keep all your necessary books, notes, and supplies organized so you don't waste time searching. Remember to incorporate short breaks, about 5 to 10 minutes every 25 to 30 minutes of study, to prevent burnout and maintain concentration. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Don't wait until the last minute. Schedule regular review sessions for previously covered material. Actively test yourself with practice questions or past exams to identify areas where you need more work. This simulates exam conditions and builds confidence. Remember, effective studying is an ongoing process of learning, practicing, and refining your approach. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.